I had a feeling this video might get your attention, and today we're getting just a little bit spicy because I found an app for your Firestick that you won't find in the App Store. And once you open it, you'll see exactly why people get hooked on it. The app is called Spicee, and the easiest way to explain it is this. It's like TikTok, but built for adults, on your TV. Videos shuffle automatically, so it never really gets boring, which is great or dangerous depending on how you look at it. Now, a quick heads up, this is 18 plus only, so if that's not your thing, this is your warning. Everyone still here? Good. If you want to try it out, let me show you how to get it. Now, if you've followed my videos before, you'll already have Downloader installed and developer options turned on. If not, don't worry, I've got a full step-by-step guide linked below. Just set that up first, then come straight back to this. Open the Downloader app. Now, depending on your version, you might see the new number pad button. If you do, just tap that and enter 28907. If you don't see it, no problem, just use the URL box, then hit go. This takes you to my site. Now, to keep bots out and keep this page private, you'll need a quick digital key called a token. Just follow the instructions on screen to get your free token. It only takes a few seconds, and that gives you full access to the downloads page for 30 minutes completely free. No catch, just use it and you're good to go. If you want longer access, there is an option to upgrade using the same token, but that's totally optional. Once you're in, click on the adult category. Now trust me, this is where it gets interesting. Find Spicee in the list, tap it, then scroll down, find the big blue download button, tap it, install it, and you're done. Told you it was quick. If you're installing apps like this, you might want a little bit of privacy. I use NordVPN on my Firestick. It's basically like pulling the curtains shut. It keeps everything private and gives you peace of mind that what you're watching stays your business. I've left a link below if you want it. Now open it up and you'll see exactly what I mean. It drops you straight into a scrolling video feed. No menus, no searching, just straight into it. And everything just shuffles. So if something's not your thing, just skip and it moves straight on. You can just sit back and let it keep feeding you the next one, and you'll tell yourself you'll just be 5 minutes, and suddenly it's been half an hour. Don't blame me. Now, be honest, have you ever had an app this addictive on your Firestick before? Drop a quick yes or no in the comments. What makes this app different is that it's actually built for TV. The big screen, simple controls, no messing around. Just sit back and let it play. If you want to try it, use downloader code 28907 and you'll find it in the adult section. And be honest, is this something you'd actually use on your TV? Or is this a bit too much? Let me know what you think in the comments. And again, if you're using apps like this, make sure you've got a VPN running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.